Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can log out of your Bybit application using your mobile device. Whether you are switching devices, securing your account, or just taking a break from trading, this guide will walk you through the process. First of all, launch open Bybit application on your smartphone, and from the home page of Bybit, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. From your profile area, tap on the gear button at the top right. This will open up User Center. Go all the way down from the User Center button and you will spot a Log Out button. Before logging out of your account, make sure that you remember your credentials so that you can get back to your account again. If you're sure you'd like to log out, tap on Logout, and for easy access, you can also enable Face ID or biometrics. You can also do that later by tapping Later and confirm the logout by tapping Confirm at the bottom. And soon after you do that, you have successfully logged out of your Bybit account. You are securely logged out. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe for more handy crypto tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.